Summertime is upon us. Sticky subway rides, backyard barbecues, and a general lack of solid television. You should be outside anyway. I know. Hilarious. But instead of binge watching something old on Netflix, why not binge read a great book series? You'll get all the enjoyment of sticking with characters for hours and hours, through complicated, folding plots. And you can make it so Hugh Dancy plays every role. What do books look like in your mind? Plus, you can totally read these outside. After the jump, check out 25 awesome literary series to read this summer. And, of course, there are lots more out there, so add your favorite to the list. This series might be the ultimate summer companion, both highly literary and frankly scrumptious. All its drama, drugs, decadence, and degradation. You'll binge read it like you found it on Netflix.